You buy fuel today, and somehow, a few weeks later, the price has gone up again. Transport becomes more expensive, food prices rise, business costs increase, and suddenly, almost everything feels more expensive. But why does one product affect nearly the entire economy? And why do fuel prices seem impossible to control? The answer goes far beyond just petrol stations. Fuel prices are tied to global economics, government policy, supply chains, and market forces. Let's break it down. Fuel is one of the most important products in modern economies. It powers transportation, factories, generators, logistics, agriculture, supply chains, and many daily business operations. This means when fuel prices rise, the effects spread everywhere. But what actually causes it? The first major factor is crude oil prices. Petrol comes from crude oil. So when crude oil becomes more expensive globally, fuel prices often rise too. Crude oil prices can increase because of wars, global conflicts, production cuts, supply disruptions, higher global demand. When supply becomes tighter or demand rises sharply, prices usually go up. Basic economics. Limited supply, higher demand, higher prices. Crude oil is not directly usable. It must first be refined into petrol, diesel, and other products. Refining costs money. Refineries need energy, equipment, maintenance, labor, transportation. If refining costs rise, final fuel prices often rise too, even if crude oil prices stay relatively stable. Fuel must be transported from refineries to storage facilities and fuel stations. This involves shipping, pipelines, storage, distribution trucks, insurance, security. Any disruption in logistics can increase costs. For example, shipping issues, port delays, transport inefficiencies, supply bottlenecks. These costs eventually get passed to consumers, meaning you pay more at the pump. Government policies also heavily influence fuel prices. Taxes can significantly increase pump prices. Subsidies can reduce them temporarily. Exchange rate policies also matter, especially in countries that import refined fuel. If a country's currency weakens against foreign currencies, importing fuel becomes more expensive, which can push domestic fuel prices upward. This is why exchange rates often affect fuel prices, sometimes dramatically. Fuel prices are also affected by uncertainty. Markets react strongly to risk. Wars, sanctions, natural disasters, political instability, production disruptions. Even the fear of supply shortages can influence prices. Markets often move on expectations, not just actual shortages, meaning anticipation alone can push prices upward.
Fuel is deeply connected to economic activity. When fuel rises, transportation costs rise, businesses pay more, farmers spend more, manufacturers spend more, delivery costs increase, which eventually pushes prices higher across many industries. This is one reason fuel price increases often contribute to inflation. Fuel is not just another product. It is an economic backbone. Fuel prices rise because of a combination of global oil markets, refining costs, logistics, taxes, exchange rates, and government policy. It's a far more complex system than many people realize, and understanding it helps you better understand why economies behave the way they do. Subscribe to Econverse for simple economics and finance explained weekly, because understanding money changes everything. See you in the next video.